Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I truly value your support. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make any photo clear and sharp. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that you do, go to your Play Store, then download and install Picma app. It is this app. After installing the app, open it. So click to open. It's loading. You have to be patient. The next step, click enhance. It is the first option. So click enhance. Then select the pic that you want to enhance or to make it look more clear and sharp. So I want the first photo. I want to make this pic look.
I remember there was a day I fell sick and I needed some money to go to the hospital. And then my friend told me.
You can see reward granted, so you click on left top corner to close the ad. You wait for the pic to load. You can see our pic now looks more clear and sharp when you compare with the before and after. So the next step, you save this photo on your phone. So you click this arrow, the right top corner, the arrow pointing down, that is the download button. So you click there to save. You are done. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.